Wait, before you put on that red lipstick, hit subscribe right now because your makeup game is about to level up. Fire lipstick sparkles. You're literally one lipstick trick away from looking expensive, confident, and completely flawless. Today I'm showing you 3 insanely easy red lipstick hacks that will make your lips look sharper, fuller, and smooth all day long. Trust me, after this, you'll never apply red lipstick the same way again. Hack number 1. Hack number 2. Hack number 3. And that's how you get the perfect red lips every time lipstick fire sparkles. Comment your favorite hack below, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tricks and glow up secrets you need to try. Eyes kiss mark.